Good morning, students. This is Miss Padilla, and here we are with another mini lesson. Today's mini lesson, our learning target is I can review different strategies to solve subtraction with and without regrouping. And I want you to pay attention to the word review because this is something that we work like long time ago. So all we're gonna do is like to refresh our memories. For today's lessons, I want you to take your time, take your paper, your pencil, and work out the problems with me uh, while I'm explaining. Are you ready? Okay, here we go. The first part we're going to talk about is vocabulary. And the first word that comes to my mind is take away. So I'm going to give you a few words that might help you associate um, subtraction, when, especially when we're reading word problems. So take away. I'm not going to define each expression. I just want you to go over it and rethink the meaning of each of these phrases. So we have take away, difference, decrease, minus, fewer, more than, are left, and less. These, all of these might be words that can help you somehow understand when you're reading a problem or when you're listening to a problem to check out if these are addition, subtraction, or multiplication problems. So in this case, there are subtraction. Remember that when we solve problems with word problems, we try to use the cube strategy. So these words are part of the words that you can box that are going to help you to define what is it the problem about. So as you can see, we're going to go through three problems, three different subtraction problems. So let's go with the first one. The first one is 956 minus 137. What is the first thing I need to check when I'm doing a subtraction problem? What I need to check is I'm going to start in the ones place and I need to check if this number is bigger or smaller than these numbers. Which one is bigger, 6 or 7? Yes, 7. So can I take away 7 out of 6? Not really. So what do I need to do? I go to my neighbor, and my neighbor is gonna give me 1. So it's gonna give me ones from the tens place. So I need to mark out the number, and it's very important when you're working out the problem, mark it out because sometimes we forget. So we're gonna mark out the problem and we're gonna write a 4. Why a 4? Because if I'm taking away 1, 4 is the number I'm gonna have. And then the 6 is not gonna be longer a 6, but it's gonna be a 16, right? So now I'm going to subtract 16 minus 7. How much is it? 16 minus 7 is 9. Good job. 9 it is. Now I'm done with the ones place. Now I need to subtract 4 out of 3. Can I subtract? Yes, 4 out of 3. Sorry, 3 out of 4. How much is it? 1. Good job. And finally, 9 and 1. Is 9 bigger than, greater than 1? Yes. So I can subtract 9 minus 1 is 8. Pretty good, pretty good. Now, let's do another problem. And in this problem, we're going to do 800 minus 432. And this is where we need to really think about the zeros in the ones place and in the tens place. Okay, so the same. What is it the first thing I need to do? I need to check these two numbers. Okay, I need to check 0 and 2 in the ones position. Can I take 2 out of 0? No, because 0 is 0. It doesn't have anything. So what do I need to do? I need to go to my neighbor. But does my neighbor have something to give me? No, because it's also a 0. So what do I need to do? I need to go to my other neighbor. Good job. But let's see how this works. Now, I'm going to mark my friend in the hundreds place. I'm going to mark it out, and he's going to give me 1 to the, he's going to give me 1 to the tens position. So I'm going to mark it out. I'm going to have 7. Great. Now, what do I need to do here? I have 10, but this 10 needs to give my friend in the ones, needs to give another one. So what I'm going to do with this 10, what am I going to do? I'm going to mark it out and I'm going to write a 9. And why is that? Because I'm going to give 1 to my friend in the ones. Okay? Now, I need to mark all these numbers, guys. Remember to mark them out because if not, we forget and we don't know. So we made mistakes. So mark it out. That's a good way to remember what we're doing. Now I'm going to subtract 10 minus 2, and 10 minus 2 is 8. Now I'm going to the tens place. Am I going to subtract 10 out of 3? No, no, because I already gave 1 to my friend in the one, so I have a 9. 9 minus 3. How much is 9 minus 3? Is 6. Good job. And I go to my hundreds place. So 7, because that's the number that I have left. 7 out of 3. 7 minus 3 is going to be, sorry, 7 minus 4 is going to be 3. Oh my gosh. And this is the last problem that I'm going to show you right now. So we always need to check the ones position first. Okay, if the one in the top is greater than the one in the bottom, I have no problems. And I just start a simple subtraction without regrouping. So 3, can I take 2 out of 3? Sure, I can. So 3 minus 2, it's gonna be 1. And then I go to my next. 6 and 1. Can I take 1 out of 6? Sure, it's 5. And finally, can I take 2 out of 4? Of course, Miss Padilla. Okay, so you got this. Now, what I want you to do, I want you to go over the video and check it out again. And I want you to work these 3 problems. I want you to work them out, take a picture, and post it on Dojo. Okay, it's your turn. You can review this video as many times as you want to.